Morning guys, welcome back to another video. Had a bit of a late start today, had a few issues with the Mac and storage problems, but I think that's all resolved. So tonight's vlog, which is a few days ago's vlog, should be live tonight. Today we are off to the mainland, so we're going to get the boat across and then hopefully go to the Garden of the Sleeping Giant. We looked at tours and they weren't for us, so I think we're going to get a taxi in ourselves and then just do our own private tour.
Okay, so one of the guys that works in the hotel has just managed to get us a taxi. Unfortunately, the hotel taxis know that because you're stuck on an island, you'll have to get across at some point, so they are really expensive. He has managed to get it a little bit cheaper. Yeah,
we're just waiting for the boat because we just missed him. He's just over there, and then he's going to come back, grab us, and get us onto the mainland so we can meet this guy to get this taxi. Here he comes, our transport for this morning. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh. And we're across in, what, 2 minutes?
Less than.
That's crazy. I reckon we got to swim that one day.
Yeah, definitely.
But yeah, we now got to find our taxi.
Okay, so still trying to find our taxi driver. We've just come obviously off the boat. We've walked down our hotel road.
And we're still on the resort, that's the thing. It's still the hotel's road, so I think we've got to get off this to find the taxi or local driver, because they don't allow any taxis onto the premises, which is really clever of them, but cheeky at the same time. And he's still not here yet. I don't know why we've got him, to be fair. We should just rent the car. You can get a car for the same price as taxis out here. As soon as they know you're in quite a nice resort, they charge silly prices, so I'd definitely recommend renting a car. The taxi driver finally picked us up and he stops us on the side of the road here. It's behind us is the Sleeping Giant, and you can actually see the face of it and the belly of it, and it's really cool. If he didn't tell me, you wouldn't notice it. Made it to the Sleeping Giant, but it is not the Sleeping Giant that we thought. We wanted to go to the bit with the zip line and the waterfall, but they've taken us to the gardens. And they're now saying it's going to cost us more to get to the waterfall bit, and that is the second problem today. We didn't even tell you about the first problem, where the hotel's taxis basically tried to attack our taxi and take us off, and they just kept pretending they were somewhere else. But we're going to try and make our way to the zip line and waterfalls.
Okay, so we're back in the taxi. Basically what happened was there was a miscommunication, so we were going to the Garden of the Sleeping Giant, but we actually want the zip line and the waterfall. Well, Matt wants the zip line, so now we're on our way to the zip line and the waterfall, so hopefully we get a chance to hike up there.
So we've finally made it to the Sleeping Giant zip line and waterfalls. I think you've got to take these things with travelling. It happens.
Yeah.
And hopefully it'll be as fun as people say.
So we've gone for the option where we get 2 round zip line trips, and we get to go up the waterfall, and we get to swim in the waterfall, and you get a drink afterwards. So it was 99 Fijian dollars each. Not too bad. Probably could have got it better with the tour, but we're here now, so let's go have some fun. How do you feel?
Nice, I'm all geared up. Here we go on the So we're all geared up.
Look at us.
Ready to take on the zip lines. We've got to have these special gloves. Apparently we've got to do our own braking, so I'm going to see how that goes.
Don't know if that's going to go very well.
Hopefully we don't crash. So
That was so much fun.
first one complete. and somehow Molly went before me.
I actually did, and I did
don't know
so
how.
well.
I thought I'd like, you know, be a gentleman, go ladies just before.
Oh yeah, you were nearly pooping your pants.
But it was well hard trying to film at the same time. But I think we're just walking up to the second one now. And then yeah, I think they get harder as we go around.
Okay, so lost count of how many we've done now.
I think we've done 4, and now we're heading on to the longest one. It's meant to be the quickest one, and the scariest one. So hopefully again, I do not drop this camera, but I think Molly's gonna have a go with the camera this time.
Am I?
This is so cool though, you're like literally in the middle of the Fijian mountains, and it's like very tropical, rainforesty. It's gonna start raining, I think.
Probably.
So hopefully the waterfall's got a lot more water in it. Go, longest one. And the longest one, I think I'm getting a little bit better at it. I'm stopping at the right time now, but the guys here that run it are great. Health and safety is a must, it is key here. They concentrate on it a lot and make sure you're safe. And I think the last one that I'm about to do now goes over the water here, so I can't wait for that. Here she comes, she's done the longest one.
That was amazing. I'm walking a bit dodgily because it hurts here, but that was absolutely amazing. Just...
Whew, and there goes the thunder. And look what we're going over this time.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
So we made it back, we are alive, we've done our first round. Complimentary soft drink halfway through.
Chuff.
Absolutely chuffed.
You need it, don't you? You're so out of breath.
Don't you? But it's crazy, them last 2 are so good over the water.
So much fun.
And then we get to go around again for a second time, but this time apparently we've got to try and do tricks and stuff like that. Second time round now, and I've got me doing the tricks. I've got to try and go upside down, so I don't know if I'm going to make it to the next one.
Okay, so as you can see, I'm bright red in the face and so sweaty, and I've got hat hair, but that was absolutely amazing. Second time round was just as good as the first, wasn't it?
So good. Did you see my, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Went upside down, that was crazy, it was exhilarating. But I think now, we said no to the guide because we wanted to try and find it ourselves, so we're going to hike up to the waterfall. I think we're about halfway there, and this is where the proper path begins. I can hear the waterfall in the background, but it should be easy from here on in, and hopefully we make it to the waterfall, because we are feeling very unfit after all them beers yesterday.
It's not even like a strenuous workout, but I'm soaking. It's so humid here, and because you're like basically inside the mountain, you're just dripping.
We are getting bitten to death in here, seriously. We're gonna have to show you Molly's legs and my back when we get back, because yesterday we got bitten so much when we were paddleboarding, and we've worn like no repellent again today, and we're in the middle of the jungle.
So just walking along the path here, got pineapples.
Takes us back to our North Shore tour and the Dole Plantation. I don't think we can identify which country each one's from.
No, not this time.
I think we should pick one maybe. Bring it back for lunch. And we made it to the waterfall.
Wow.
The walk here is pretty easy. It took about 20 minutes. It's not the most impressive of waterfalls, but you've got like 4 or 5 flowing into the stream down the mountain from both sides. So that does look pretty cool, but I think we're going to get in there because apparently you can swim underneath it. So you've also got this smaller waterfall to the side of the main one because it all flows down in the same bit, but it's pretty cool because you can actually go underneath it to get pictures. Crazy up there. The views looking up and back down at the waterfall were amazing. I think we've had enough time here now, and our driver's waiting for us, so we've got to get back to the hotel. And we are back, finally. Long old day, very long. Ratings to our driver though. Yeah. Very good driver. If you don't rent your own car, rent a driver for the day, it works out much better than getting like taxis and that everywhere. And we stopped off at a local food market on the way back.
Can't you see mine? No, it is.
Got some fresh pizza for like 20p, some rolls, a loaf of bread, some butter. Really good, really recommend it. But now I think we're just going to chill out on the balcony for a little bit, edit today's video.
Right, so after an amazing day, we are now chilling on the balcony. We've got our Fiji Gold beer, we've got a little snack of noodles, and we're just going to sit here for a little bit. Today's video has been edited, we're just now going to chill. We've got a really busy day tomorrow, really exciting day actually, isn't
exciting
it?
Day, I can't wait for you guys to see this. Guys, we're going to wrap it up here because we've been very tired today and we want to take in this beautiful view. Well,
you can
there,
see
the
some
sunset,
sea.
you can hear the sea. But yeah, you know what to do. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, drop us a like.
And keep on dabbling.
Yeah.
Yeah. Woo!